Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In this blog, we'll explore 3 up-and-coming social media platforms. Vero, alternative to Instagram. Overview. Vero is the main contender to the digital media sharing behemoth known only as Instagram. Musical.ly, alternative to Snapchat. Vine. Overview. Steemit, alternative to Reddit. Overview.
Take our lead.
TikTok, a social media platform targeted at young mobile phone users, was the second most downloaded app in the world in 2019. In short, the phone-only app lets users record themselves dancing or goofing around to a music or spoken word clip and then alter the videos using a wide array of effects.
Let's help you make your mark.
VSCO is another popular application for iOS and Android. It has similar to Instagram functions, registration step, creating an account with an avatar, and the ability to host photos and videos. This app has advanced features of photo processing. There you can not just post your pictures but just improve it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.